Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the exact lock type and getting the right replacement cylinder. This matters because fit and tailpiece length must match. Once done, remove the strike plate screws if needed for clearer access and tape the edge of the door to protect finish. Use a marker to note cylinder orientation and the screw positions so reassembly is error-free. You will be removing mounting screws next, so keep parts organized in order of removal to speed reinstallation. You now remove the mounting screws and gently pull the interior escutcheon away. Do this while supporting the lock to avoid dropping springs. Once the screws are out, insert the key and rotate about 15 to 20 degrees to align the cam so the cylinder slides out smoothly. This prevents damage to the tailpiece. After extraction, measure tailpiece length and cam shape and check bolt clearance. This ensures the new cylinder will operate the cam and latch correctly once installed. You insert the new cylinder with the cam aligned to the same orientation you marked earlier, then slide it fully into the pocket. Make sure the tailpiece engages the bolt. Once seated, start screws by hand, then tighten evenly to avoid warping the faceplate. You must test the key through its full rotation 5 to 10 times to confirm smooth action and deadbolt engagement. If the bolt binds, loosen screws, realign the strike plate by small adjustments. Then retest. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.